Hey guys, it's Ty here. Happy Tuesday. Short video blog with a double unboxing, Rolex and Omega. Let's do a wristwatch check. I'm wearing the Rolex GMT Master 16700 with the Coke bezel insert. I did put it on this beautiful Bond Omega NATO, which we're going to talk about in just a second. So last week, guys, I got a couple of pickups. I still have some other things coming in. I did want to share with you the Omega NATO that I received. This is the sand colorway. This is the polyester material. I think it feels almost like canvas. You guys know I love these. This is the fifth one, I believe, that I have. And the only colorway that I didn't get, I didn't have in the collection, so I'm really happy to have it. Found it on eBay, brand new. And I did want to show you the difference between this polyester and what they call the polyamide. So the polyamide is a little bit shinier, maybe a little bit heavier, but I prefer this one, the polyester, because you can kind of get it around the wrist a little bit more comfortably, in my opinion. So very happy to have this. And then right next to it, I did find on eBay also a Rolex anchor, the Submariner anchor for the 50th anniversary Kermit. As you guys know, I do have that watch. So I did want to kind of fill in the set that I have for the watch. I have the box and some of the papers, not all of them, and of course an appraisal, and I thought this would be pretty cool. The guy that I bought it from on eBay said the way you can tell the difference and that this is a 50th anniversary is that it has this longer bar here at the end. I did some research, guys. I couldn't find out if that was true, so let me know if you know if that's true or not. Otherwise, I still love it. I'm still gonna put it in the set, and I think it's pretty cool. So anyway, guys, share your thoughts down below. Let me know what you think of the new pickups. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will talk to you soon.